use already the line.
We're using cocktail. We're using this vodka.
Sino pang meron?
Ito yung
Orange liquor. Ay, sorry, sino nagtanong yung control?
Yeah, me.
Dapat orange colored drink or orange juice.
Orange juice?
Yes. Yung control
Oh yeah, we can use this, right?
color, orange color.
Okay, so how many cups will you
Bakit ito sa akin tayo naman? 1/4 lang pala.
Ano yung dilaw pa na?
Ubus na yung sa Sa drink ko.
Ito, teaspoon.
Hindi, yan. Ano lang natin?
Bakit dito naman sa akin ng
Doon ako nakatago.
Walang hindi dalawin na natin kasi dalawin pa.
Hindi sa pangalan na vodka. Dalawa din.
Kaya na dalawa tayo.
Half cup.
Half cup ba yan? Sure ka?
Tama na.
Ah, 1.8 pala yun. Yaan mo. Kasi ano na.
Bigyan ng lime juice. Abe. Bigyan ng lime juice.
Hindi ah. Na? Ika lang. Fresh milk. Lagyan natin ng
Garnish yan, be. 1 ice.
Ika lang. Itong direction natin eh. Hindi yan eh.
Shake.
Uy, video mo. Ay, pakala ko si Auntie. Shake. Ika lang. Tata naman natin si Auntie.
Oh yeah, that's
Video.
She only have.
1, 2, 3. Ano ka may ate?
Then, one more time. One more.
With voice. Ganito. Don't shake your butt. Only this, okay? Ladies, look.
It's very slippery.
How do you do? You do. What is that? No. Okay.
Strong.
Just the wrist.
Okay,
Okay.
just...
Don't feel your body. Okay. All right.
Okay.
With poise, anything you do with poise, okay? Walk.
Because my
Again.
Oh, I'm scared I dropped them and
Come on.
come here.
With walk. Yeah. Very good. See what you can do. Lovely.
Stop. Stop, baby. Stop.
Thank you.
Ayaw ba man antay? Auntie. Auntie Elaline.
Hello, whoever watching back.
Nobody watching. Nobody.
Ladies, this is salt. It's for the one where you put salt at the rim. Okay.
Start now.
Now this
started.
You never told me that.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
With pose.
We're going for the hard base. Now we're going to use the word.
Okay. Then pour here.
Then we pour it into the glass, into our glass. Oh, careful. Take half. Isa na lang sa atin.
Okay, kalahati
No eyes. Why no eyes?
Because whatever the ingredients sauce is all for one drink.
I like that. So, body share.
And now it's my turn to make the blueberries.
Yes, mayroon. That one. Wait. Blueberry. Okay, then so let's have one more.
Blueberries? Yes. How can I help you? Blueberries, ma'am. This is the blueberry. How much do you need? Handful. This is
Yes!
lime juice.
Background yan sa back.
Libo lime ball, let's say. Without lime ball, kaka nga ang do we still have lime? Yes, one cup simple syrup. Spoon pen lang. Do we still have lime?
Ande!
Do we still have lime?
No.
Not yet 40 minutes.
Ading. Tapos na kami.
Syrup lang.
Hindi, isa-isa tayo. Ako muna.
I'm looking.
Yeah, sorry.
One more.
Dear, I think you have to put
Are you doing again?
Siya nga, blur. Ulit. Picture na. Oh, may picture. Pwede lang yung picture ko yun. Siya nga, may picture. Isa naman.
Okay na lang. Leave it.
Ikaw to?
Dali,
Yes,
yeah. Dali.
Parang hindi. Bakit?
Parang put down this behind the
Kaya na.
Just be careful, eh? Okay. No, I want this. So, ang tsutsuk doon din na sa ayaw mo isali mukha ko.
Pwede nang inumin.
Are you done?
Ano yung ginawa mo?
Hindi.
Lime.
Punso.
Ito.
Where's the ingredient?
Sa inyo na dalawa? Oo. Sora. Yes.
Are you going to use this?
But is it? We are out of
Kulay.
lemon
Yellow?
cottage.
O blue?
Lemon garnish.
Oh no, for the
There's juice, no, there's lemon juice.
friends.
Di ba? Yellow.
No, for the things. I'm making blueberry something. Blueberry something. That was
The lime juice, you can take the lime juice over there.
blueberry
Are you
mojito.
done, girls?
There's a lime juice there.
Can we please
namin siya
supply?
ng
Lime juice.
umbrella
This is grapefruit.
para...
Where's the measuring spoon?
Wow, I like it. This
Bakit
is
kaya bumabili? Kaya bumabili na.
There's a club soda.
club soda.
Drink of lime drink.
Water, the soda, water soda.
Ah, we need that. That's the soda. This is sparkling water.
Is this, no, sparkling water. It looks like a beer inside.
Yeah, over there is one.
Ah, that one. You will do it later when you do the shaker. So you will do soda, you will also have soda.
Oh, over here also. Soda.
You also do soda.
Yeah, we have soda here. Splash of club soda.
Ah, splash only, but your ice will be what? Your water will be sparkling water. No, you'll use soda.
Yes.
Oh.
And we need lime. And lime juice. This is not. This is sweet.
Yes.
Okay. Says only.
Bye.
Where's
My partner, my baby love. Bye! See you again. Ito na po yung gawa namin. Cocktail.
Eh, nalpas kami malamig.
Bye!